We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the Aurora registered trademark, Adorable Peanuts registered trademark Squishy Joe Cool stuffed animal. This officially licensed plush toy, inspired by the iconic Peanuts character Snoopy in his Joe Cool persona, measures approximately 5.5 by 8 by 8.5 inches. It is made by Aurora registered trademark, a recognized leader in plush toys with over 35 years of experience, known for high-quality, durable, and soft products. This particular plush is designed to be squishy and huggable, with a bean-filled base that helps it stay seated, making it both a cuddly companion and a charming display piece. Users appreciate the nostalgic value of this plush, as it brings to life the beloved Peanuts character in a form that is soft and inviting. The materials used are high quality, ensuring a lasting fluffy touch that holds up well over time. The plush is suitable for all ages, containing no bean fillings in the body itself, which adds to its safety and comfort. Many fans of the Peanuts series find this Joe Cool plush to be a delightful gift option for both children and adults, especially for birthday celebrations or as a collectible. The size of the plush is just right for holding and cuddling without being too bulky. Its squishy texture is a highlight, providing a satisfying tactile experience that users have praised for stress relief and comfort. The bean-filled base is a thoughtful design feature that keeps the plush stable when placed on a surface, preventing it from toppling over easily. This makes it ideal not only for play, but also for display on desks, shelves, or beds. On the downside, some users mention that the plush is relatively small compared to other Snoopy collectibles, which may not satisfy those looking for a larger stuffed animal. Additionally, while the squishy texture is generally well-liked, a few users have noted that it can lose some of its softness after extensive handling. However, this is a minor concern given the overall durability of the materials. The official licensing by Peanuts Worldwide LLC ensures that the design is authentic and true to the character's image, which is important for collectors and fans. Aurora's commitment to eco-friendly practices, including the use of recycled materials, adds an environmental benefit to purchasing this plush. It is also CPSIA certified, meaning it meets safety standards for children's products. Performance-wise, the plush excels as a comforting toy and a decorative item. Its versatility across age groups makes it a popular choice for families and individuals alike. The plush does not require batteries or any maintenance beyond occasional gentle cleaning, which adds to its convenience. Overall, the Aurora registered trademark Adorable Peanuts registered trademark Squishy Joe Cool stuffed animal is a well-crafted, charming plush that captures the spirit of Snoopy's Joe Cool persona. It offers a perfect blend of softness, durability, and nostalgic appeal. We encourage anyone who owns this item to leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to purchase this product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This plush is a delightful addition to any Peanuts fans collection and a thoughtful gift for all ages.